Hello little friends, today in this video let's learn to draw a bear drawing the easy way. Let's start. First of all, we need to write number 8. This is number 8, okay? Now next, we have to draw one circle like this on top of the 8 number. Now, next, let's draw the body of the bear. The ears we will add at top. Now let's add eyes. So here our teddy bear drawing is ready, where we have first drawn the number 8, and around that in easy steps we have drawn this teddy bear. Let's color this. Let's use light brown for coloring. Now let's also use dark brown at some places. Inside the number 8, let's color using dark brown. Now let's do eyes in black and the mouth in black too. We can do the outline using black. So here our cute bear drawing is ready. Now let's draw one more easy drawing in easy steps. Let's draw one bird using circle. We will do it in steps easily. Let's start doing it. If you can do the circle freehand, that's good. Otherwise, we can trace it using any object which is circle in shape. I have traced this circle. Now, in next step, we will just add a beak, one circle for the eye, and one semicircle here which indicates the wings. Now in next step, let's add one more circle inside the eye, 2 legs just like stick figures. We'll keep it simple and easy, and back side some feathers like this. So here our cute and little birdie drawing is ready. Let's color this. First of all, let's color this. We can use any color. Let's use sky blue for the same. I'm just creating a border and outline outside near the edges. and then we will start filling the color inside. up all the white spaces visible. We'll just add black in the eyeball. Let's add yellow for beak. And let's add dark blue in these areas. Now let's do outline using black crayons. So children, we can see our bear drawing and the bird drawing is ready. I hope you have enjoyed doing this easy peasy drawing with me. We'll connect again with more videos. Thank you.